Mate, I'm sorry, this highlight though is just, ooh, it's a whole nother story. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am testing out the new Fenty Beach Please collection. I had to, you know, yeah, the colors were just different. The colors were exciting. It's summertime, it's vibrant, and I wanted to go ahead and try some of the products out. I didn't get every single product because, honey, I ain't got them top coins, but I got what I got. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So first off, I got 2 kilowatts. I got Mamiso Sangria. I mean, Mamiso Sunrise. What was it? What's going on? Mamiso Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. I have not used this one. I did not use this one today. So I'm gonna come back with another video with this one. But this is so pretty. It's more of an orange and pinkish purple look. And then I also got the Killawatt in Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. And I used this one today because I just wanted to try something a little different. And it's more of like a champagne color and you know, a minted green color, and it is so pretty. And then I also got this, it is called Eyelid Bling. So these are eye shimmers, so you know, they come with 2 different colors. And pretty much what you do, I'll swatch it for you guys, is this is one color that goes on the lid, and it comes with like this rose gold color that you can pop on the lid as well. So you guys can see that here. And then lastly, I got one collection of the lip glosses, and I got the colors single, bilingual, and ready to mingle. I think they did that so it rhymes, you know, single, bilingual, and ready to mingle. But anyways, yeah, I got these colors. So we have a green here, we have a orange, and we have a purple shade here. And I used the orange today, but we'll get into the look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I, you know, create this look and what my thoughts are on these products, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already filled in my eyebrows just to save up some time, and then I'm gonna go in with just priming my lid. I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just gonna put this as my base. Then I'm just gonna set that in place using my Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder. Alright, so I think I'm gonna be doing something different with my eyes, stepping outside the box. But first off, I gotta start off with a transition color, and I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here as my transition color. Alright, so next I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm gonna take this color like here, right here. I want more of a cold, not warm, because I'm gonna be using the greenish bluish. I think that's the color I'm using. So just want to keep everything slightly cool. Alright, and then I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to pop that just under the crease too. Alright, so next I'm going to cut my crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it. I am experimenting today, honey. Alright, so onto some action, onto some Fenty. I am excited to try this out. I am going to try the Mojito and Sandcastle. I just don't want to mash up the packaging because it's so pretty. Please don't mash up the packaging. Alright, so Minted Mojito and Sandcastle. This is what, oh, this is what we're looking like. Very pretty, very bold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by adding sandcastle in the inner portion of my eyes. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Let me zoom up because we need to see this. Alright, I just zoomed up so we can get a better look, but I'm gonna apply this inner portion of my eyes. Pigmentation on these is serious. And then I'm gonna go in with Minted Mojito. It is such a pretty color. Ooh, 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 and pack that onto the lid, honey. That is like a breath of fresh air. Wow. Alright, and then I'm just gonna smooth out those colors together. Cause that is bold, bro. Woo. Colors are super pigmented though, I am not gonna lie. I'm here for this pigment. So I'm definitely gonna go in with a deeper color in the outer portion of my eye because we just doing the most. I'm gonna take this color right here from my Huda Beauty palette. I'm actually gonna apply just a little bit of the reddish brown. Blending that all in. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's bold, but it's pretty. That pigment is popping. Alright, and just because I want to try out another product, I'm going to go in with, this is the Island Bling Tini Kini. I think Tini Kini. And I'm going to use this shimmer side here. And I'm just going to, look at that, let me swatch it for you guys. Whee! My camera doesn't do justice, but look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna press it on. Ooh! Ooh! Do you see that? Oh yeah! Wow! Oh, it complements it so well. Whee! Alright, so I'm going to put on some liner and put on some lashes. My camera is dying, so I'm going to do that and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and finished up my highlight, my contour, my foundation routine just so I can, you know, focus on the products. And I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my eyes. And I'm using this Jumbo Pencil by NYX in Cottage Cheese. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my waterline with this. Alright, so that is going to be my base. I'm going to go in again with Minted Mojito. And I'm just going to apply that at on my bottom, on top of that cottage cheese. And since we are doing the most right now, I'm going to go back in with my Huda Beauty palette. And I'm going to use this reddish brown just to kind of tone everything down. Because we just doing the most, yeah? Alright, I'm just going to add in some mascara. Alright, so to finish off my face, I'm just going to dust out any extra powder that I had chilling over there. And I'm just going to set my face with my powder, my L'Oreal powder. Onto my blush. I don't know, I was going to use I have the Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise, but I feel like it's just gonna throw off the whole look. So I'm gonna do another video using those colors because I just feel like we can't go left with this look, right? So I'm just gonna use my razor and I'm just gonna apply a little bit over here. Alright, so for my highlight though, I'm going to use this palette. I think I'm going to mix them both up, but I'm going to go very lightly because I can imagine the pigmentation on this is about to be deep. It's about to be real. So let me start with Sandcastle and just apply a little. Ooh. That is pretty. You know when you want to highlight that, you know, it's not everyday gold highlight, you know, that's what I like about this. It's kind of like, yes, definitely for the look that I'm wearing, it is pigmented, let me tell you that. Mate, do you see the pigment? Do you see the pigment now? What? I am not putting a lot on and I'm blending it out because I think it's a pretty color though, like, ooh, I needed one of these highlights in my life. And then I'm adding a little bit of that blue, just a little bit. Yeah, put a bit too much, but to be honest, I kind of like it. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I actually do like it. Alright, and for my nose, I'm just going to go in with a little bit. Oh, see? A little bit of that Sandcastle. That's pretty. Oh man, oh man. These highlighters are going to last you like 50 years with the amount of pigment that is coming out. Alright guys, so lastly onto the lips. And I think I'm going to go in with Bilingual, which is this orange shade here. And I'm just going to use this. Wow. That's pretty. Okay, that is pretty. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of thinking, do I like it like that or does my lips just look greasy? I don't know. I think it's alright. Looks kind of like shiny whole look. I like it. Alright, I think that is it guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I really did like this collection. It's different. It's definitely more of an editorial look, but you know, my eye's leaking, I don't know why, but you know what, it's that kind of, I feel like Fenty is trying to make a stand in this whole beauty community where they're doing something totally different, totally editorial, something that you would not usually wear, kind of like a natural kind of look, and I'm here for it, you know, I'm here for trying something new. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, me trying out some of the new Fenty products from the Beach collection. I think I'll be back on Friday with another video reviewing, you know, the other palette and doing a look with the other palette because, you know, I bought that. I want to try that one out. So make sure you come back on Friday and see what I do next. And hopefully, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.